On this day of reconciliation, we reaffirm our commitment to live by the values of non-racialism and non-sexism. No matter how great the difficulties we may be facing, we cannot turn on each other. It is up to each one of us, whether as families, as parents, as educators, or as communities, to do more to build bridges of understanding. It cannot be that bringing about reconciliation should be the responsibility of the formerly oppressed. Instead of retreating into our cocoons of race, language, ethnicity, and class, let us use today and indeed every day as an opportunity to play our part.
Gandige, lapha kuselibuwa khomo eLimpopo. Kulapha kuhlala khona ikutana yamaguduva yalokho uJames Mathato. Obekadume ngelika Dynamite ngengikhathi zakhe bekayiketula phasi indoda ngeguduva. Nakagidinga ilanga lanamhlanje ufisa engathana amaSewula Africa ayahlukanisa phakathi kwepolitiki kunye nemidlalo.
They have good boxers who are good in boxing, following the people a good boxing.
UDynamite walumula ukudlala amaguduva ngo-1981.